join me today as we take a look at this absolutely beautiful 1909 historic home in Westwood, Massachusetts. Beautifully restored home is listed at $15,500,000, has 15 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, is 14,000 square feet, and sits on 27 acres. I would love to know your thoughts on this restoration. I think it's very clean, very beautiful. I would have loved to have known what this house looked like in 1909. I think that it would have been a little more glitzy personally, but I think it's very pretty. It's very sleek, very clean. I'd love to know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. Here it looks like we get into a guest home that is on the property as well. I hope you have enjoyed this property as much as I have. It's so beautiful. It looks like it would be such a peaceful place to be. This estate is called Acorn Hill in Westwood, Massachusetts, if you wanted to do some more research. And I hope you liked this video. Please hit that like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.